down over there. Essential Hotel. Awesome.
200 meters, your destination will be on the left.
Okay, Abinson. Not parking there, baby.
Your destination is on the left.
Abinson. So we're arrived, guys. Let's check inside. Let's go inside.
30% off at fabulous deals when you shop on your Zoom appliance, gadgets, and furniture. Super saya! Walang credit card? Walang
Morning.
problema. Dahil with Food Credit, pwede ka mag 0% hulugan as low as 50 pesos kada araw. Super sulit! Okay, here's more. Para sa mga credit card holders, enjoy 6%
We're just looking for lantaw. What is, wow. Look at this. Uy. Look at this price, guys. Look like this is the best, guys, for buying things to your house. It's like, wow. Baby, look at this. It's really nice. Wow. Not your type? But I like this white. Oh, it's stamped too. But look the price. Look at the price. It's not bad. Look, their TV over here, guys. 76. Austin. How many did not they like? Morning. Now we're looking first, showing the price. 55, 47. Ayaw pag what? Ayaw vlog ti kayo. Mura siya gimbubag ng imong gams. Ayaw vlog ti ha. Ay vlog ti. What brand is this? Samsung. $48,000 Samsung PUL. 65, guys. Like they're in sale. $55, $21,000. Yeah, it's nicer. Gets a lot of stuff too. 27. Good? Don't touch your don't Huh?
Oh, a nice chair.
Oh, really? A couch?
Just a one night chair.
touch your teeth. Don't touch your teeth. Kaya mura siya ginhubag. Okay.
Thanks to our residential
Ayun, lapdi. Dito ra ka sa akin.
the art residential.
Ay, dagan-dagan. 30 Pro disc guys, 50 inches Sony UHD Bria. Not bad. Look at this good quality over here guys. I mean, it's cheaper and plenty of TV you can choose. 11,000 for this box. Baby. Ayun! That is chair. Wow! 9,000 for this nice chair. Ang big!
Paano yan? Walang ano.
Morning! This is daddy.
Doon sa taas.
Babe! Ano mo? Bakit sira?
Kasi ano?
Babe! So guys, we'll go to second floor. It's over here. Wait lang. Then for this. Come here. Let's go to daddy. Daddy's is in the second floor. Dire, di ba? That's the daddy dire. So, let's go to second floor guys. So, this is in second floor guys. The aircon. Aircon over here. It is 10. 10, baby. Say hello.
1 year for the service, 3 years on the board.
10, don't try.
We have 1 horsepower, 1.5 horsepower,
10.
5
Ayun na
horsepower
ba?
up to 4 horsepower.
Huh?
You got 4 horsepower.
What is him for horsepower?
Bigger, stronger.
Bigger and stronger.
Oh, Japan is good quality, baby.
Konnichiwa.
Yes.
The Japanese one highlights the durability of the
Yeah. And it's 33, not bad.
Well, that's for
for
that.
the one.
For this one.
Yeah, that.
And it's pre-installation.
Even if it's like that.
10.
Yeah, Darwin.
Too big.
Darwin.
10.
It'll be.
I give you our numbers sir. You can contact us. See later.
This is big, babe. I know this is different. 10, ha. Don't go to 10. I can't ref, baby. 10. Come here, Agoda na. Come here. Don't run, please. I'm do vlogging. I told you when I do vlogging. Wow, this is. But I don't like this because.
Yeah, on those fingerprints.
Yes. Look at this, guys. For this big. 10. Wow. How much is this? Oh, 71. That one is 58 and this one is 71. It's 2-door, guys. A 3-door. 119. Wow. Very nice. 51. Wow, baby, look at this, baby. Baby, look at this. This is nice. This is much to our future house, baby. Wow. I mean,
Small rear.
no, when you don't see, it's not gonna.
Yeah, see, it's a small rear.
It's fine. That's big, oy.
This is air. This is a freezer. This is air.
You sure?
Yeah.
Please, you can put meat? You can put meat? You can put meat, baby?
Yeah.
I like this. It's very nice. 31. Wow. Ten. Oh, 39 for this one. 10.
Dan ako.
37 with that one, guys, is 37. Wow. I don't. What are the Korean? No, I don't.
You
I
want
like small freeze, wrap and like this.
This is not a wrap. This is a freezer.
Well, you can put it there.
Food for a year.
Nah, it's gonna be bad, boy. Even if you.
Don't go to the grocery store every day.
Maybe smaller, babe. Oh, you like this, like that, have
Yeah,
glass.
like you did, see, yeah.
It's not bad price, 21.
No, it's not a big price at all.
Very nice. Oh, you know, this is good. You know, like when you buy, there's a lot of choices. You know.
You gotta check every day.
How much you're washing over here? Look, baby, this is what I said. Like this, I like this.
For your
Huh?
kitchen.
Guys, it's very nice. Oh, 6,000 only. Look at this. See?
The dirty kitchen, yeah.
Yeah. See? This is I need in my food.
For your dirty kitchen.
I like that.
Yeah.
This is very nice. Uy, this. I like to have mama like this. This is 9,000, guys, for 2-star. Washing. How much is this? Uy! 10,000 siya, no? 10,000? Money price? Money price, kuya? Kini?
Yes, ma'am. 10,000.
Wow! And na siya butanganan sa ano, di ba? Kanang sabon? Oh my.
Wala rin, ma'am.
Wala. Diretso bubo. Oo.
Dire ang down nila, ma'am.
Ilan na siya ka kilo?
6.5 po.
Okay. Nice ka, ano. Behave lagi mo. Yeah. Pero may palit.
Saan libre, ma'am?
Oo. Pero may, oo nga, kay daghang kay kagapili. Kaduha na ano, ha?
Tapos sila mo nag-sale.
Kaya nag-wonder sa og ano para inig ano magpalit. God, nice. 10. Oy. What is the oh. I like the timer, my love. Have timer? They have a timer in that one? How much is this? Wow, 30,000.
40 po yan.
This is bigger, huh? Wow. Oh, wow. Where did they find it? The one that they have timer under, ano, you know?
I can't find which one.
I don't know what's, ano, where they but they have a timer of their baking so they can bake, you know? It's the price, guys. Naamoy kuan nga na ay timer para sa mag-bake pod. Automatic? Ah, okay ni. Okay.
Yan, timer ma'am.
Okay. Kay, nindot og na timer para dili ka maglisod og kana mag-bake.
I can buy you one of those egg timers.
Nah, I'd like automatic to I see, you know? It's very small, baby.
Look at that.
That they have timer in it, like
Well, they get that at, where'd they get that at?
City Hardware, this.
City Hardware.
Nak, babe, nak. Soft? Huh? Yes, it's soft, baby. You have a good quality hair too, babe. 50%.
That's a pillow top.
This is same of your, ano. Oh my God, look at this.
Pillow top. This part. That's called a pillow top.
Nice, very nice. Kids are very naughty, guys. I don't like that. Oh, it's also nice. It's separate. Yes. How much your electric pan over here? $5,000 guys for this one. It's very nice. It's like electric. Ay dagan-dagan anak. Ay dagan-dagan. Oh, I like this one. 3,000. 1,800 for this one. All is electricity, guys. Six. I like this blender. I like this blender, guys. 1.6. 10. Don't run, anak. Makasala mo, anak. Ten. Rice cooker is getting up. Look at this, for small only is 855. And behave ba? Behave na saan ba? Behave. What is that? What's the purpose of that, baby?
Just like a big skillet.
Really? Oh no, that's electricity. I like gas. It's 1.8. I like gas. Behave ba? 8,000 for this, baby. Look at this. 8,000 for this motor heater, guys. Heat, and then we don't have a lower price. Maybe 7,200 for that one. For that small. How much is this? 7,100. 5,000 for this food trading. It's ano. 5,900. Baby. This is not bad price. 5.